Hi, I'm Jeff Rummel with GALATI Yacht Sales Tampa Bay. Welcome aboard SunRaye, an absolutely beautiful 2015 Prestige 550 Flybridge. Let's take a look. The Prestige 550 offers a large flybridge with hardtop, a hydraulic lift platform so you can bring your favorite water toys on the trip. Full beam galley has lots of capacity, forward midship salon with seating on both sides and an expandable dining table. 3 staterooms and 2 heads plus crew quarter allow you to spend your days on the water in comfort. SunRaye is equipped with a pair of Cummins QSC 8.3 liter, 600 horsepower each, with the Cummins Zeus and Joystick docking system. SunRaye is equipped with a hydraulic lift platform large enough to carry a big dinghy. Stepping up to the cockpit, we have a large seating that either has bench seating or converts to a giant sun lounge. Beneath, we have crew quarter with head and shower or abundant storage. The optional high gloss dining table and the stairs up to the flybridge are conveniently located. For additional sun protection, the yacht has an electrically actuating sunshade. The forward cockpit offers a large opening hatch, giving you great access to the engine room. The upgraded 21.5 kW Onan generator will provide all the power you need at sea. The yacht has been upgraded also with a subtropical air conditioning system, 84,000 BTU water chiller system. Welcome aboard the flybridge of the 550 Prestige. As you can see, there's a large sun lounging area. We have a top loading refrigerator. We have a large U-wrap seating for many guests and a high gloss dining table. As we transition back forward again, under the cover here we have an electric grill and a stainless steel sink with additional storage. The helm is forward to port, offers a beautiful double wide helm chair, a great electronics package, engine data package, joystick for docking and control, electronic engine controls, and a stereo and a VHF radio. Transitioning from the stern to the bow, you'll find nice wide walk-arounds and high bow rails. As we get to the bow, we see a nice open area which makes it easy for handling dock lines, fenders, and the anchor. The anchor on this yacht has the upgraded polished stainless steel anchor and all chain rode. The seating area converts from bench seating to all sun lounge. The optional bimini top can fold aft and store in a matter of a minute, giving you shade or open sun for the bow deck seating area. The large galley starts on the starboard side with a countertop, ice maker, bottle storage, additional storage. As we move to the port side, you'll see a full-size upright refrigerator freezer, 2-burner stovetop, microwave oven, abundant storage below, 2 sinks, additional storage, and an optional dishwasher. Additional storage is provided in the island. Transitioning forward 1 step up, we enter the salon area. To my port, you have a large leather-wrapped seating area. The dining table expands and slides in and out for your dining needs. The starboard side, we have additional seating also in leather, and forward the lower helm station. The lower helm station provides great visibility forward, a double wide helm seat, a full Raymarine electronics package with 2 16-inch screens, electronics engine controls, joystick docking system, and engine data are all at your fingertips. As you enter the master stateroom midship, you'll see the large windows with opening port lights, abundant storage to starboard, a large Samsung TV, a door to the master bath and a door to the master closet. On the port side, we have a seating area with desks for 2, and aft we have 2 nightstands and storage under the berth. The master bath has large medicine cabinets, vessel sink, abundant storage below with a quiet flush electric marine toilet and a full walk-in shower. The walk-in closet is very large for a yacht this size, has a large hanging closet, storage drawers, and a vanity. The nice wide companionway gives you access to the guest staterooms. There's a large VIP berths forward and twin guest berth to port, and a shared head and shower to starboard. To port, you have a third stateroom with twin berths. There is a filler cushion system that could create one large berth in that stateroom. There's abundant storage below both berths and in the hanging closet. Starboard, you have 2 access doors to the guest head with a nice walk-in shower, quiet flush electric toilet, vessel bowl sink, and medicine cabinet above. Moving forward into the VIP, we have a large queen island berth with opening windows on port and starboard side, 2 hanging closets, abundant storage below, Samsung television, courtesy reading lights, a thermostat to control the temperature in each room, and opening and closing port lights on port and starboard side and in the deck hatch. Thank you for joining me today aboard SunRaye, this beautiful 2015 Prestige 550 Flybridge. For more information, please reach out to me or visit GALATIyachts.com.